country that does not know mac and cheese. Mac and cheese has come such a long way since Thomas Jefferson fell in love with macaronis. It has become popular all over the world. And today we're going to make it an all-Italian cheese special. With some provolone or provoletta, scamosa, which is a smoked mozzarella, of course Parmigiano, and we also got a very nice mature pecorino pepato. You can also use a pecorino romano. This is the gourmet's recipe for extreme cheese lovers. Welcome back in the Gourmet Gambit. I'm Wes, let's get started. First we're going to cook our macaronis, and they really have to stay al dente. 1.5 tablespoon of sea salt. It's about 5 liters of water. We're going to pour a little bit of olive oil on the top. Maximum heat. We're going to bring our water to the boiling point. Pour the macaronis. Six to 7 minutes at the maximum. It really has to stay al dente. Once your macaronis are al dente, pour them directly into ice cold water to stop the cooking. Very important, preserve your pasta water. We're going to grate our cheese. This is our pecorino pepato. The provolone, take the wax off. Our Parmesan cheese. And of course our scamosa. Here we got our mascarpone, a cup of milk. We got this beautiful Italian Moscato, a nice sweet white wine. And we're going to pour 1 glass in there. And we're also going to pour our pasta water. It needs to be a bit liquid because our macaroni is still al dente and is going to absorb a lot of moisture as well. Pancetta, copper. You're also going to need some white bread. If you get some old bread, it's very good as well. One is a few days old. We're going to cut off most of the crust. And we're going to cut this into little bits as well. Not too small, not too big. Garlic. Take a big frying pan, pour at least 4 to 5 tablespoons of olive oil because the bread is going to absorb a lot of olive oil. And we're going to start frying our coppa and pancetta. I'm going to pour some more olive oil. After 5 minutes we're going to add our garlic. Give it a good stir, just 1 minute, and then add the breadcrumbs. You see that it sticks. Pour a little bit more olive oil in there. Just keep on stirring for 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Then we're going to kill the heat. 1 tablespoon of oregano, a tablespoon of sage, a good twist of the peppermill, Mix it through, and we're ready to prepare our oven dish. All your ingredients are cold, and we're gonna use a large pot. So we're gonna put our macaronis in there, the mascarpone mix with the white wine, and our cheeses. And now we're gonna give it a good mix, so all the cheeses are well mixed. Take your oven plate. You have to push your macaronis a little bit down. At this point, it's just a little bit dry. I'm gonna add a little bit more milk, and we're also gonna add some of our pasta water. Cover it all with aluminum foil. This is going to prevent our mac and cheese to get too dry. Heat up your oven up to 190 degrees Celsius, and we're going to bake the macaroni for 30 minutes. But if you do the huge portion like I do for 8 persons, it might go up to 40 minutes. After 30 minutes, you see the cheese is melting away slowly, and we're going to add our crusty topping. Then we're going to heat up our oven up to 200 degrees Celsius on precision top grill, and then give it a nice grill for 15 minutes, and you're ready to serve. 100% Italian cheeses, mac and cheese. What do you want more? All good things come to an end, so it's up to me to say bon appetit and see you back soon.